Hello scrappers! Today I'm scrapping this. Look how old this switch is. This was hooked up in a friend's house and in service and working. When you flip the switch, listen to that click. There's definitely going to be some silver contacts in here. There was such a bright spark in there when you flipped the switch that it illuminated the plastic. And the bulb still worked at the time. This bulb's like 1,000 years old too. But I bet this is aluminum. Yeah. I don't know if I want to get broken glass everywhere just for a little tiny scrap of aluminum. This plastic here is Bakelite, I believe. These are all brass. So I don't need to take the screws out. I can leave them hooked right up to their little terminals. Their little contact pads there. Let's see if a few hammer taps will break this plastic. Look at that. Look how brittle that was. So is that a little piece of brass right there? Nope. That can go right in the tin bucket just the way it is. So let's get the scale going. I'm going to just put it right on ounces. Maybe there's not a piece of silver in here. Look how brittle that plastic was. Pretty sure it's Bakelite. Oh, there's a lot of metal in this one. There's a lot of good scrap in here. Not seeing any silver. Looks like that's where the contact is made. The little blade. We can get this off. Oh, still not feeling good. Still sick. Come on, I want my little piece of brass. There we go. So we got some tin, a little piece of brass. Magnet sticks to that. They don't make stuff like they used to. Thank God. Thank goodness they don't. There we have it. Magnet doesn't stick to any of that. It's all brass. That's all going to go in my brass bucket. And this can go in the tin bucket. Watch your eyes. And a little tiny baby piece of aluminum. There we have it. It's gonna take long. Let's see what we got. We got 1.5 ounces of tin for the tin bucket. And a 1/2 ounce of brass. And I know this aluminum is not even going to register on the scale. I just stepped on the rest of that light bulb. There we go, 10 for the tin bucket. And a little piece of brass for the brass bucket. I mean for the aluminum bucket. So, didn't take too long. A few minutes worth of work, make a little extra change. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.